including tiered pricing, promotion influenced by the brand perception. Marketing tactics are tailored to the different audience, and effectiveness depends upon the heavily on the channel choice. Distribution strategy impact accessibility, while the brand perception and the consumer satisfaction strongly influence loyalty. Strength, weaknesses, and opportunity. Here we compare the strength, weaknesses, and opportunity across the different players. This helps to identify where the competitors struggle or not. From the UX standpoint, this gap represents the opportunity to create near, simpler, and more meaningful experiences. Key takeaway. To summarize this, analysis highlights all the key competitive strengths and the weaknesses through the UX lens. The next steps are to prioritize the UX improvement, monitor the competitor moves, and continuously adopt the market's dynamics that are involved. Competitive analysis is not just a one time activity, it is an ongoing UX practice. Thank you so much for watching.